Jamushi Travels is back, and today we'll share to you our recent one-bedroom suite experience at Crown Plaza, Manila. For this day, we'll be exploring the newly renovated Club Lounge, especially that we are here early and our room is not yet available. Supposedly, if you book a suite, you can check in at the lounge itself directly. But unfortunately, during this day, I believe they still have challenge with the manpower availability. Space-wise, the lounge has become bigger, cozier, more spacious, and modern as compared to our last visit. And because of the space itself, it's significantly obvious that they have only a few selection of snacks in comparison to other lounges. Yummy.
Ang ganda, no? Gusto ko yung painting.
Now, before we show you the room tour, let's first check out the afternoon tea, cocktail hours, and our breakfast experience here at the lounge.
Okay, so we're now here at Crown Plaza Club Lounge at Galleria. So ngayon we're gonna enjoy yung afternoon tea. So small, bite-sized food. Parang, pepperoni sandwich, tsaka pulled pork sandwich. And may, tawag dito?
Macaron sa cookies.
Tsaka yung brownie, parang brownies. So let's try muna itong pepperoni bite-size. Isang pepperoni, isang cheese. Okay na lang. And then pulled pork. Okay na. Try natin to. Tikim lang.
So?
Interesting.
Yan.
Tama siya.
Okay, so overall, kamusta yung lounge experience? Last time na nandito tayo is 7 years ago, ang wedding, tama ba?
2017. Tagal na rin. So, palaging di nagkaka-timing. Mas madalas tayo sa holiday. Pero since renovated na, maganda yung ambience, yung seating.
Mas naging maluwag, no?
Parang, dati kasi parang
masikip lang.
Parang restaurant yung style, hindi lounge. Yeah. Pero meron pa rin namang tables for intimate setting. Yun lang. See you.
Bye! This is our cocktail hours experience here at Crown Plaza. Quality of food wise, it is good. However, the presentation, the frequency of food being refilled, and cocktails being served can be improved.
Masarap yung hot dishes. Cheers! Cheers! Hi.
Oh, game.
So, nandito tayo sa Crown Plaza Lounge for breakfast. Medyo limited yung choices nila. And, ano ba? Pero maganda naman yung view natin. So, yung usual nila for breakfast meron. Although, parang walang Filipino, something. Although, ito, parang chicken, ewan. Yan ay special siguro. Tsaka yung mga tinapay. Marami naman yung tinapay. Okay, and then may orange juice. Ayun lang. Sige.
Food selection-wise, it is better to eat at the main buffet area at Crown Plaza. But if you want peace and quiet, then the club lounge is here for you. Luckily, the staff is kind enough to bring us tapas and tuyo, which is not available at the lounge, but they were able to bring it from the main buffet up to this area since we're really craving for it. Now that we've explored the club lounge, let's move forward to explore what the one bedroom looks like here at Crown Plaza.
So, renovated na. Although medyo madumi yung carpet.
Hindi ba kayo yung style?
Ay?
Anong room muna itong tinitingnan natin?
Yung suite.
Okay. Yun yung presidential, no?
Hindi.
Mataas yan. Normal din yan. Ito yung room ni Chambert ng wedding. Wow.
Actually, double upgrade.
Mas malaki siya.
May, maliit na suite. May suite na lower floor. Ito yung high floor.
Wow naman. So
ganda
nice.
Na ng room. Yung room yung malaki yung improvement.
Oo, and...
Yan.
Wow!
Ganyan nga yung room ko. Ito yung hindi nila ginagawa. Hello! Welcome to Crown Plaza. So, we're now here at 19th floor, 18th floor. This is the one bedroom suite high floor with lounge access ng Crown Plaza. So, lahat daw ng rooms nila newly renovated. So, maganda yung nila, yung carpet. Yan. And we have the working desk here, the living room area. And ang laki ng living room nila, parang isang room din. So, yung view is yung city view. Tsaka yung view ng mall. Tapos, ayan, may minibar sila. So, yung nila, mineral water, ayan, JR. Okay, Robinsons. AR pala to. Ayan. Tapos, fully stock yung nila, minibar. Ayan, sobrang dami. Tapos, ano ba mayroon? Ayan, wala. Kaya lang yung wala silang Nespresso. So, yung coffee maker lang. Okay, tapos move tayo sa bedroom. So, we have the king size bed. Eh, ang ganda. Tapos, may sofa rin dito. And yung isa day bed. And syempre yung closet. Ayan. Okay naman. Syempre may laundry bag. And yung void. Tapos yung robe and slippers. So, simple lang din. And then, ang maganda sa kanila is itong bathroom. So, I think old style pa rin siya. Pero maluwag, di ba? And may bidet. Yan yung importante. May bidet. So, ayun yung amenities. So, hindi na single use. No? Usually, yan, ganyan na lahat. So, ayun lang ang room tour natin. Bye-bye. See you sa isang room naman.
Bye. Amuntahan na natin. Alright. So this is what a 2-queen bed looks like at Crown Plaza. We were not able to do a room tour. Most likely it's the same as our room except that there's no bathtub here. But the room is spacious and we were able to do a family selfie.
Galing tayo sa car eh.
Yeah!
Yan! Di ba?
Wait lang ha.
Ganda yan.
Yan. 2, 1.
Now that's for the room tour. We were not able to explore the gym, but we were able to explore the swimming pool facility. And this is how it looks like as of our last visit. And so that's it for our Crown Plaza Manila Adventure Lust 2024. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.